Families are spending more and more of their hard-earned money each month on all kinds of batteries. And so many batteries find their way into the trash every single day. In fact, over 3 billion batteries are thrown away and end up in landfills each year. And that's just in the US alone. But what if I told you there was now a way to save many of these batteries and reuse them? Well, now there is, because of something called easy battery reconditioning. Easy battery reconditioning brings all kinds of old and used batteries back to life. So now, instead of buying new, overpriced batteries and throwing away your old batteries, you can recondition and reuse your old used batteries instead. And this works on everything from used car batteries to used power tool batteries. This can save you thousands of dollars on the cost of batteries over the years, and it's so simple to do. Anything you learn becomes your own. That's what my dad used to say to me. Years of experience, and all of it, it's mine. Carpentry, plastering, and remodeling. I learned and mastered it all with my own hands. And when I mastered the easy battery reconditioning method for reviving old and used batteries, it was mine for life as well. From now on, I don't need to buy new batteries. I can recondition my old batteries and reuse them instead. The simple method I use to bring old batteries back to life saves me money. I can even recondition and reuse my old car battery, so I don't have to buy a new one.
People all over the world are using a dead simple trick to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. People like Jen Simmons, who brought a dead car battery, a dead cell phone battery, a dead drill battery, a dead camera battery, and many other types of dead batteries back to life again, just like new. And people like Kevin Day, who brought his dead drill battery, several dead double and AAA batteries, and his dead camera battery back to life again. It's easy to bring dead batteries back to life again with this new simple trick.
Click the link below now to learn how to bring old batteries back to life again. Learn this once and have it forever. So go ahead, click the link below now to learn one of the most useful and money-saving skills on earth that will benefit you for the rest of your life.